Namaste. Located at the heart of the town, we present to you Washing Xpress, an initiative and a solution for your daily laundry. Our motive is to provide you with the best and stress-free laundry. Our process involves great care along with significant tools for a systematic laundry experience. We believe in customer needs and trust their preferences and concerns just as ours. We have a specially designed software to store all your minute laundry details. With a workshop at our workplace, we believe in delivering outcomes with advanced machinery and foreign techniques. The process of washing also includes minor cleaning. The detergent used is exclusively formulated to keep your clothes new as ever. Machine cleaning for 45 minutes, followed by drying. You can also opt for dry cleaning. Next, these clothes are sent for steam ironing. Steam ironing has been designed to maintain high quality. At our best, we try and pack the clothes, deliver them to you with utmost care and protection. Our establishment embarks your satisfaction as our ritual. Visit us for an experience. Washing Matlab Washing Xpress.